Cooking with James, cooking with James, cooking with James and Jody. Hey everybody, welcome to another wonderful edition of Cooking with James and Jody. Today we're going to be making some tailgating food, or hors d'oeuvres. You can have it for your next party. We're going to be making bacon wrapped chicken wings and some fried green tomatoes. So let's get cooking. Alright, my lovely wife is starting to wrap our chicken drumettes. We got them all cut up. And this is a pretty easy process. You just wrap the chicken legs with bacon. So just kick back for a little while and just listen to the music. Oh, I like this. Man, some scissors work great at cutting bacon in half. They almost work better than a knife. Now those half pieces of bacon, they go on these thinner little wingettes. I guess that's what they call them, yeah. Now on these big drumettes, you gotta use the full piece to get all the way around it, at least. Oh, it looks good already. It's time to season it up. Right now we're using some garlic powder, a little cracked black pepper, next we're going to do a little cayenne pepper. Kick it up a notch. And we're going to do some chili powder. Yeah, it's going to be savory. I'm telling you what. Next up, we got some onion powder. Just coat them real lightly. That's all you got to do. And then set your oven to 350 degrees and pop them in the oven. And while that's going, I think we're going to make us some fried green tomatoes. Here we go. Fried green tomatoes. This one almost got away from us. It's a little riper than we like it. It's kind of in between red and green. It's got kind of a yellowish, kind of greenish red vibe going on. But hey, this is actually, I almost like this better than the pure green. Alright, filling up our pan with some oil. We're going to be using all-purpose flour, some panko breads, and an egg for the egg wash. Alright, cook these tomatoes up with some flour, put them in the egg wash, then coat them with some more flour. As you can see, I've already gone through the egg wash with that one. It's kind of slimy. And fry them up. Get that pan around 350 degrees as well. Yeah, buddy. Well, it's time to start pulling these off that oil. I'm going to set them on the rack. Oh, look at that, golden brown. Ooh, that's going to be good, son. It's time to eat one while we wait for that chicken to cook. 2, 3, 4. Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Good. They're going fast. All right, 45 minutes is up with the chicken. Check that out. Time to put some sauces on. Here we're gonna put down a little honey. Just like that. And now we're gonna do some mustard. Honey mustard. Quick like. No mixing, no drizzle. You just drizzle it right on there. Do a little honey mustard on this batch. And this batch we're gonna do barbecue sauce. Good. And then stick it back in the oven for about another 20 minutes to a half hour. And that's what you get. Right there, all them sauces start congealing and glazing over. Oh, it's good. Ah, man. I wish we had smell-o-vision. Time to plate it. Oh, can't you smell that? Oh, look at that. That's a spread right there. And with our excess bacon we had, there you go, bacon for breakfast in the morning. And as you can see, we're kind of ate our tomatoes along the way. That was our veggie. Oh yeah, here we go. Wing time, wing time. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh wow. Alright, I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit those buttons down there. And if you don't like it, hit them too. Alright. Later. Y'all.